Hello viewers, welcome to mathematics lesson. Today we'll be looking at simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use substitution and elimination methods to solve simultaneous equation. Assuming we are given these two equations, 5x minus 4y equals to 26, call it equation 1. 2x plus 3y equals to 15, call it equation 2. From equation 2, we make x the subject of the formula. How? We carry plus 3y to the right hand side, it becomes 15 minus 3y. Then divide by the coefficient of 2 of x, which is 2 all over 2. And that makes x the subject of the formula. That is, x is equals to 15 minus 3y all over 2. Now, we substitute in equation 1. Remember, when you use equation 1 to make the subject of the formula, you substitute in equation 2. And when you make x in equation 2 the subject of the formula, you substitute in equation 1. Therefore, the x equals to 15 minus 3y all over 2 is from equation 2. So we now substitute in equation 1. Now, in equation 1, it is 5 times x, which now become 5 times, in bracket, 15 minus 3y all over 2. That is what we have here. Minus, complete the equation, minus 4y equals to 26. Then you simplify. What we are going to do here is to multiply what is the numerator in the bracket by 5, and then multiply what is here by 2. So 5 times 15 is 75, minus 5 times 3y is 15y, minus 4y times 2 is 8y, equals to 26 times 2 is 52. And when you collect like terms, minus 15y minus 5y is equal to minus 23y, while 52 minus 75, because we are carrying 75 to this side, becomes minus 75. So 52 minus 75 is minus 23. And then to get y, we divide both sides by the coefficient of y. So minus 23 here divided by the 23, minus 23, which is the coefficient, and that is 1. Then, having gotten the value of 1, we now substitute in this equation to get the value of x. That is, x is equal to 15 minus 3 times 1 all over 2. When you simplify that, you get the value of x. Elimination method. Elimination method requires equalizing the coefficient of the variable we want to eliminate. Now, assuming we are eliminating x, we multiply equation 1 by 2, equation 1 by 2, and equation 2 by 5. That is, take the coefficient of x here, multiply everything equation 2, and take the coefficient of x here and multiply equation 1. Now, let's see what will happen. We are taking 2 to multiply equation 1. So 2 times 5x is 10x, minus 2 times 4y is 8, minus 8y, equals to 52. Then 5 times 2x is 10x, plus 5 times 3y is 15y, equals to 5 times 15 is 75. Each of them become equation 1 and equation 2 respectively. Then you will notice that the coefficients of x in the two equations are the same. Now, how do we eliminate it? We use subtraction. So we now say equation 3 minus equation 4. When we do that, 10x minus 10x is 0. That means we have eliminated x. X has disappeared. Now, minus 8y minus the minus 15y becomes minus 23y, because we are subtracting, equals to 52 minus 75. minus 23. And when we do that, we find x, and x now becomes minus 23 divided by minus 23. And that will give us 1, exactly what we had before in substitution method. Then in the for the second value, we now substitute in equation 2. In this one, elimination, you substitute in any of the equation, while in this one you substitute in the one you made the subject of the formula. You have the same thing. Let's assume we are substituting in equation 2, original equation 2. We now have y is 1, 2x plus 3 times 1. 2x plus 3 times 1 equals to 15. That means 2x plus 3 times 1 is 3 equals to 15. Then we collect like terms. Plus 3 will go to the side of 15 and become minus 15. So 2x is equal to 15 minus 3, which is 2x equals to 12. Then to get x, we divide both sides by 12. So x is equal to 12 divided by 2, and that gives us 6. Thank you very much for watching. Let's do it again next time.